I'm Caroline Fuller of SoCo Property, and I'm standing here at 3541 Foxwood Place, located in the coveted and prestigious neighborhood of Fairway View Estates. This split-level Tudor revival offers the privacy and space for everyone in your household. A separate dining room and breakfast nook are lovely for everyday meals and entertaining alike. A large great room lends itself to a cozy fireplace and French doors leading to a wraparound deck and thriving south-facing garden below. Step back inside and appreciate a downstairs bedroom and bathroom, I love this open, spacious, and bright kitchen. And one of my favorite features is this breakfast nook. I would love to come down the stairs and hear that breakfast is ready. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious guest bedroom with views of Mount Taylor along with a built-in desk at the landing. And this phone made this desk a hot ticket in its heyday. A full bath serves the guest bedroom off of the hallway, and the updated primary suite has a walk-in closet and is at the end of the hall. The soaker tub and separate shower are added upgrades. It's very rare that you find a property with a 3-car garage. Here we have a traditional 2-car garage where cars fit just fine, and in here it's been converted to a partial workshop. Easy to go back to a third bay for the car enthusiast, or great for a home gym or any hobby you like. I love the quiet cul-de-sac and the fact that 2 of the 4 owners at the end of this cul-de-sac are original owners. This third of an acre with terraced gardens and views is Bennett Valley bliss. Welcome home.